Hey guys, if you have a Galaxy Buds 3 Pro and if you have a problem of one earbud not charging up, then I have short tips for you. Yes, so usually right now, as you can see, before my left earbud was not charging up, you have a reset button. I tried to do reset button and I did a lot of things, but it wasn't working. So here are good tips for you guys. If this your earbuds, one side of earbuds is not charging up, especially, then what you have to do is that small steps. Take one screwdriver like this. So just put it down and try to pop out this connector, as if you can see, to make this alignment with my left side earbud. So I'm just trying to make it like good alignment. So that it keeps continuously charging, right? So if you see, this means it's charging. Yeah, the color. Yeah, I'm 100% is work right now. So just give me a few more minutes and then, yeah, 3%. I'm pretty sure it's working. Alright guys, with this method, I think if you just pull it up, if you make alignment with this connector, which connect with this one, which charge the battery, I think this gonna work. Okay, yeah. But I don't recommend just depend on this. Yes, I'm pretty sure I will gonna go with Samsung support to check this out, but it seems that it's working. I found this method in the Reddit. Someone was writing about this process in Reddit, and I think, yeah, it keeps work. Yes, so but it's not like future proof. So I'm gonna go anyway to Samsung store to check it out. That's it, guys.